Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In this video, I'll show you how to easily move your existing contact forms from Ninja Forms to WPForms. Rather than having to rebuild your forms from scratch, our form importer tool makes it easy to make the switch. With that said, let's jump right in. After installing the WPForms plugin on your site, go to WPForms on the left sidebar and then click on Tools. Look for the section called Import from Other Form Plugins, and in the dropdown, select Ninja Forms, then click on the Import button. You'll then be able to select which specific forms you'd like to import from Ninja Forms under the Available Forms column on the left. Once you select a form, it'll be displayed in the Forms to Import column on the right. You can select individual forms, or click on the Select All link under the left column. When you're done, click on the Import button. When the import is complete, you should see a success message appear along with two links, one to go in and edit the form in the WPForms form builder, and another to preview the newly imported form. If there are any fields in your previous forms that weren't able to be imported due to compatibility issues, you'll also see a message letting you know which ones were left out. The importer tool will also import the notification and confirmation settings for your existing Ninja forms, so after importing them, be sure to go into the form builder and make sure your notification settings are configured correctly. If you need help setting these up, you can check out our tutorials on how to set up notifications and confirmations in the video description below. Now that the forms have been imported, the next step is to replace your old forms with your new forms wherever they were embedded. To do this, click on the Pages option on the left sidebar and select any page where a Ninja Forms form was embedded. When the block editor has loaded, click on the Ninja Forms block and press Delete on your keyboard to remove it, or you can click on the three-dot icon and select Remove Ninja Forms. You'll now need to replace this block with the WPForms block. To do that, click on the plus icon on the page or at the top of the editor and search for WPForms. This will load the block onto the page and produce a drop-down where you can select your newly imported form. Once the form is loaded, click on the Save or Update button at the top of the page, and you're all set. You now know how to move your forms from Ninja Forms to WPForms. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra help, please visit our contact page and reach out to one of our trusted advisors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.